Today we're going to take a look at our Onan generator. This one is a 10,000. It's in the 37 BH Phaeton 2019. On this one here, this is the reservoir for your coolant. Regular antifreeze can be installed in this unit. When you're checking your coolant level for the antifreeze, make sure you do not remove this cap while this engine has been running and is hot, because it will come out on you if you remove this cap here. Only remove that when it is cold. This is your breaker for the generator. It's controlling all your inside electricals for 110. If this breaker is thrown like it is right there, there's no power going to go to your transfer switch. This generator is generating power to the transfer switch, which we'll go to shortly in the back, and then goes into your breaker box. But if that is tripped, you will have no 110 power off of your generator going to the inside of the motorhome. So make sure that breaker is on. Now outside, you can start this generator. Just that simple. You can kill it from out here. Also has your generator hours here. To look here at your oil or coolant, antifreeze coolant, it shows you your level. This generator has to be, it's not started, it's on the cold side. We haven't started it this morning. So it's going to show your level where it's cold. If it's been running, in between these levels up to where it should be on the hot side. Now to get to your oil, it's got a side cover on the right side of your engine. Don't know if you can see here in the dark, but right here is your oil stick. Pull it out here. You can check your oil. And if you need to add any oil, you can install your oil in the area here. And these generators will also shut down if the oil gets too low. They will shut off and will not start. So if that thing will not start on you, you can always come and check for your oil level. On our generator, this one, the 10,000, is a diesel, and it also tells you in the area here exactly what type of oil to use. This one it shows you the temperature. It takes a 10W40 in most of our areas. Earlier we had talked about the generator generating the power back to the shore power or a changeover box. This is your shore power and changeover box, whichever you prefer to call it. Generator power comes back from the generator, comes through here, comes through our lines here, and comes into the input to the transfer switch. Goes through here into your components on the inside and breakers, and comes out here from the output side. Then goes through to your electrical panel, electrical box. Also, if you can look back here, you got your reel, which is we call the shore power line. It also feeds into your transfer switch. It's going to have a regular type reel back here. It will also generate the power through here. The generator will override shore power. So the generator is always overriding the shore power. You can't hook both of them up. You can have both of them running at the same time. It's not going to hurt anything. This shore power box is designed to let that generator run through, and it's only going to take one load at a time through there. And we have a switch in this compartment here that will retract and also release it. So you hit that release, it will feed, or you go ahead and release that and just pull at ease. Also the retract button automatically helps you roll it right back up.